Hello dear students, this is Kanza Salim and today we are going to go deep into your story, A Triumph of Surgery. I hope you remember we yesterday started and we just did the introduction. Let's quickly revise about the author. Yes, he is James Alfred Waite and he's known by his pen name James Herriot. He was a British veterinary surgeon and writer. So as he was a British veterinary surgeon, his writings, like his experience of many years, is shown in his writings, in his series of books that is shown. Okay, so he is best known for these semi-autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. So he is a really great writer. Now let's go through the text. So as we discussed that it is about a dog lover and a dog, especially it is about a dog. It is about a dog lover. We all love dogs, we all love to keep them as pets, and we do pamper them as our kids. Same things Pumphrey did, and Mrs. Pumphrey, who has a dog, Tricky, she really pampers him, and let's see what happens. Well, the story opens like, I was really worried about Tricky this time. Now, before moving ahead, my first question to you all is, who is I? Just think over it. Answer me, who is I? I'm moving ahead. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress. And I was shocked that his appearance, he had become hugely fat. So just see that he has not only become huge, he has not only become fat, rather hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So here, I hope you people have guessed, yes, here I is the narrator, the writer, and he is telling his experience that when he was taking out his car, he saw Tricky with his mistress. And what is the name of his mistress? Yes, his mistress is Mrs. Pumphrey. So he saw Tricky with his mistress, and he is telling the condition, how pathetic the condition was of Tricky. So how was the condition of the Tricky? How was its appearance? He was shocked to see his appearance. He was hugely fat. He was bloated like a sausage. He was very fat. Means he was utterly fat, right? So he was having legs on the corners. His body was not normal, he mean to say. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. His eyes were coming out. They were all red and stared straight ahead. And his tongue lolled his jaws. And his tongue was just out. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. Mrs. Pumphrey quickly came to him to explain. He was so listless. Mr. Herriot, he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So what is Pumphrey saying, Mrs. Pumphrey saying? She is saying, see, just see the love. Just see, as a mother, she can never say that, yes, my child has taken enough of food. She's never satisfied. Similarly, same is the case with Mrs. Pumphrey, that she's not satisfied. Though she has overfed him, but she is still thinking that he's suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks tonight to make him sleep. Nothing much really. He's saying just this much. Nothing much. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं दिया है. Okay. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Now he's asking, did you cut down on the sweet things? Oh, I did for a bit. But he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. He does not love cream cakes. He does love cream cakes and chocolates. So I can't bear to refuse him. So she's so much pampering him. She's saying that he loves chocolate, he loves cream cakes and chocolate, so I cannot refuse him. She used to give him. I looked down again at the little dog. So who is I? Please do tell me. Yes, I is the narrator. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. Now, what was Tricky's fault? It was greed. He had become greedy. Yes, there was no end to his eating. He was eating something or the other every time. He had never been known to refuse food. He never used to refuse any food. He used to eat up everything he got. He would tackle a meat at any hour of the day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. So the things which Mrs. Pumphrey mentioned, they were not all. She hid some things, like she didn't tell all the things she used to give to Tricky. See how serious it was. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hawking and Gardiner has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. So further, Mrs. Pumphrey is telling that he's not doing any exercises lately. He is just busy eating every time, all through the day and night. So this overeating is the basic problem with Tricky. So we'll continue this lesson in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy.